So I see if I can get that straight. Peel some of this out. Let it slide over a little bit. Drawing down. Well, since that truck went down on me, all of a sudden, grab one of the other ones. Do I need to do it? That's just too much truck right there. Smell like something smoking or something?
Hey, how y'all doing? Dexterdoitall.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yeah, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They'll deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy.
Hey you gonna crank up today? How y'all doing? Who that is? What's your name? What's your name, lady?
Margarine 57. Put your mind to it.
Now I gotta go over here and do this. Put this cap on there. Gotta put a cap on here. Oh, who done? Hey, what is it? I'm gonna start digging a hole right here. Cause Barry can't reach way over here. That. Yeah, I'm gonna start coming digging over here. Gotta put some dirt right there. I see that. Yeah, I gotta put a cap on there. I ain't know you can take these screws out and put a cap in there. I've been buying the whole cap. Crazy. Do it like so. Put the other cap in. Got the cap go with it. How'd this go? Lost. Do they go on the inside? See that piece? Let that piece go around the glass, I guess. This one good. I don't know. I'm gonna do like this. Well, no. I think I do. I see the grooves. So the groove go to the outside. Flip it over like so. Put this on there. Then I guess I put this on the outside of there. Can't be on the outside of that. No, I'm lost. Kinda lost now. I thought I just looked at that thing. But this gonna go over the top of it, right? Unless it's too small. These holes line up. Them holes line up. Right. I done got a little lost now. I thought I just paid attention to that thing. I guess I didn't. Alright, let's try it this way here. Let's see it's grooving now. Put that cap right there. Just try to put this seal right there. Then put this right there. Oh, that work. Look like that'll work right there. First time ever doing something like this here though. Phew. Already 100 in the shade. They look better that way. I was trying to put this seal on first. Y'all gonna figure it out sooner or later. I could put it on. Gotta scrape some of that good stuff off on the side right there. And see it got matted to it or whatever you want, seal to it. So I see if I can get that straight. Peel some of this out. You put some gas on there. Need to soften it up some. Got that cap all cleaned up. Need to put some gas in it. Got a little dirt. Got some paper towels in the truck. Gotta clean that off with. So scrape that little bit off of there. Clean that up. Had this truck out the way there. I gotta go back there and do the other truck. It's airline busted on me, so I get a quick connect for that. So other than that, then that'll be all. And then that trailer there, I gotta fix the pigtail on it. It don't want to hook up right. So this one right here, that right there. So there was something left on there. Oh, right there, that piece right there. too. Ah. Yeah, look like that'll do it. Clean it up some and put the other cap in there. Well, I'm gonna have to come back to that. I gotta get some gasket glue. Ain't no seal on that one. So we had to get the quick connect and put on the other truck back here in the back. Got this trailer right here at the auction out of what it was, Greenwood, Mississippi. Got that trailer from down there. Good old trailer. Good, nice trailer too. Put some nice lights, brand new lights in it. Roll real easy. That's the main thing. Got one bad spot in that tire there, but the rest of them alright. Got some new lights in it. And then I got this truck here out of Texas, out of a fleet. I think they call it yellow freight, whatever it was. So I've been using that trailer. I mean truck there. That's the airline that busted right here. I had to go back and fix it, and I gotta wire it up right. Oh, let's see. Where we at? Right there. Oh, right there. Alright, let's see how this thing acts now. I gotta put a mud flap on too. Let it cycle a little bit. $464,000 miles. Good truck, good truck. Need some gas, some depth. I mean some it run off depth too. I hated that part there. So need to put some fuel in. The battery's good. Oil pressure was good. When I plunked it up earlier until I found that leak. Need to clean it up, get in the dust and field. Oh, let's get clean it up. Well, I gotta go back to Tallulah again due to the fact, well, they dug that deep, boy. You gotta be real careful coming out of here. Well, I gotta go back to Tallulah. I ain't got no gasket glue or no gasket, so I gotta go get that. What time is it? 12 o'clock. 99 degrees right now. It's hot, so I gotta run and do that. Airplane spraying. I don't see why you need to spray for the airplane right now, because everything down on its own anyway. We ain't had no rain in so long, so everything just drying up anyway. So we in a burn ban effect right now. Other than that, country living, baby, country living. Hey, how y'all doing? Dexterdoitall. I'm in my dad's old blue truck. Finally got the transmission fixed in it. Put another motor in it. And today, while I'm talking about that, we finna try to cut up some soybean, get a little sample and see what it's gonna do. Still kind of green in places. We haven't put the mox on it just yet, but the other field dried out on its own. So they can save a little money there. Gotta get ready to start dissing the cornfields up. We wanted to burn it, but due to the fact got a burn ban going on right now, you can't burn nothing. Now I'm talking about not even a piece of paper. Because if you burn a piece of paper, ooh, you about to have a wildfire. So we put some brand new tires on the 9770. Both front tires had a blowout this year. Kind of frustrating and kind of aggravating. We had to leave, stop doing what we were doing to go up to Indiana to go buy 2 tires twice with 1 tire, then turn around go back, get another tire. So the pretty beans y'all been seeing. The back there, it dried down on its own, did pretty good back there, keeping up, spraying the mox on in there. But them the pretty fields I've been showing y'all the whole year. But now it's time to see what is gonna grow. We haven't been getting no water, no rain. Well, put it that way, we haven't been getting no rain, and it's been pretty hot. 109, 110, you know. for a month straight, you know, that ain't good. That ain't good at all. So still gonna see what the yield gonna be. I hope it turn out good. Which, you know, everybody always want the best anyway. But other than that, the bean looking good, but I don't know how they fruited. I don't know how what the fruit look like on them. So we gonna find out. We just making a little test run right quick and see what it cut like. This right here back at the back, this flat ground right here, look like it's dry enough to cut. I don't hear the combine drawing down or nothing. Front tire got a lot of grip on it now. The other one had a lot of grip on it too, but good year tires, they ain't as good. Nice and wide, ain't really hear it running. I might have to go back and get the grain part in a minute. Got a few green spots out there that might help us out. Might help us out a little bit. That guy right there planted before we did, and he sprayed before we did, but I was still turned before his did. So I don't know what different soil, well, same soil I think, but different areas. But we never sprayed. He sprayed a week before we did. So we're gonna see what we can do right now. See how it turn out. I'm gonna get up there and ride with him. That's my dad on the combine, matter of fact. But that's one thing I hate, that soybean dust, that corn dust, man, I hate it. Yeah, this old blue right here. You know, door handle, you know how the handle come off the old Chevys at time. Gotta open from the outside. That's what we gotta do. So sound good coming across there. Let's get on over here. Oh, look at that, crunchy. No, I ain't let that one up. That's gonna be ugly. Something smoking or something? Probably just my nose. I'm just be curious, you know. It was a good year tire. You see still see the labels on them. Good clean. What you got dropped? You don't see nothing?
I was trying to get out of trouble. Just pay you straight. You want to buy no fuel in there. They don't really cut either. It's about fuel coming in.
Yeah, I don't see number 1, 2, 3. 3. So you gotta do it in the foot, right? In like a foot area?
Yeah, you gotta go.
All them holes down there, some of them about went in the hole.
Even with the holes, as long as you don't break off when they get back. See, I'm in the green will come in every night.
gonna cut, y'all. Look kind of green at time. Phone got dusty. Alright, let's see what we got. We'll get this truck. Come in down now. Let D take over, go ahead and start running the grain cart. While I take care of some more stuff. My dad said he uses a GPS. He pretty straight at times. So what I'm about to do now, I'm about to go get the truck. Take it down there to him. Oh, gee, the truck don't want to go. Truck acting a fool, don't want to move. On the gas. Oh, ain't out of gas. God dog it. Let's go on with the truck now. Well, since that truck went down on me, all of a sudden, grab one of the other ones. Do I need to duel it? That's just too much truck right there. We'll take the Denali 2500. It's just all around. It ain't a 1500, it ain't a 3500. So it's all around truck right here. If you ever get you a truck for an all around truck, you have to get. Look at that. Got to do some spraying. Spray some marks on. Need to clean that thing up. Let's see. I put one to the DMV office too. But I didn't go. Guess I'll go tomorrow. Had to get the old freight shaker to go down here and get loaded. Come back and get the grain cart in a minute. I gotta do a little distance first since I don't have a one tractor. So I gotta go down there, take the truck, let them dump on it. Come back, get the tractor. This like the parts that the hip road, so I get across it with the truck, and then hook up, come back, hook up to the grain cart. Then get on the road, get the show on the road. So I cutting some soybeans. We didn't spray them. We didn't have to spray them. And I checked the moisture with my moisture reader. They were reading 13.5, and then I had got some green beans in there also, cutting like 15, 8. So I think they good to go. They cut without being sprayed. The rest of them will have to be sprayed. So we're gonna try to spray everything from East Carroll to West Carroll and Madison Parish. You know, get all of that done. Oh my goodness. Trying to come across some good roads back there. They dug a ditch out, and I don't got a cover big enough to go down in there. Yeah, they dug a ditch. They dug a ditch now. So East Carroll, we got some ditches, but we still ain't got all of them. Hey, sweetheart. How you doing? How you doing? You can go that way. Go to the other side. Yeah, I go from one job to the next job. She just sleep all the time, just dying, doing nothing. Make the rock yard, dumping off a little something. Little grain here and there. Well, y'all, that's the end of the day right there. Wasn't much to do today. We did it just a little bit. Speak. Say hey. You been asleep most of the time anyway. Say hey. So we did our good deed today. We did some work. She slept most of the time. I worked all the time. Now, trying to cuss this thing off and enjoy life. What up, bear? What up, bear? Go ahead, bear. Let's go. Put the radio off.
And another train on them.
That's it. What up? What up? God dog. You got wet. You got wet. Oh, here she goes. Get out of there, bear. Get out of there. Come on. Come on, bear. Get out of there. Hold on, watch that truck. Watch that truck. Watch that truck. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead. Baby can't make it. Come on.
I just came on here to tell you all we have 3 channels. We got a farm channel, which would be Dexter Do It All. You got that one? The second one will be Small Dreams. That would be the tiny home. That's the second one. Okay? Second one, Small Dreams. Come over there, subscribe, like. It's a new channel. And I can let you know how I'm coming with the tiny home. Okay? The third channel is Put Your Mind to It. That's where I vlog. That's where I started from. So you guys come along and go to Dexter Do It All. He's 35 years old and he do farming. So you guys come on over.